How much should you actually spend on an auto hat heat press? Because some people are happy with the cheap ones, but others end up returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, HTVRONT H1 Mini Heat Press. First up is the HTVRONT H1 Mini Heat Press, priced at just $21.99. This little machine caught my eye with its vibrant H1 bubble blue color. If you want a portable, easy-to-use heat press for small projects, this is worth a serious look. That means whether you're working on a delicate fabric or something more robust, you can easily tailor the heat to suit your needs. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for crafting on the go, and at 0.44 kilograms, it's lightweight enough to take anywhere. With over 5,600 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, many users appreciate its efficiency for small jobs. Now, some people complained about its size being too small for larger projects. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working on hats or smaller items, this might actually be a blessing, allowing for more precise work without the bulk. This is perfect for you if you're a hobby crafter or need something for smaller transfers. Skip this one if you're planning to work on larger hats or items, as it might not meet your needs. Honestly, for the price, it's a steal for small projects. Now, if the size of the H1 Mini Heat Press bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HTVRONT Auto Hat Press Machine Blue. Next, we have the HTVRONT Auto Hat Press Machine in blue, priced at $149.99. This caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive one-touch operation. If you want something that makes hat pressing effortless, this is definitely worth your consideration. It handles DTF films and embroidery patches with ease, making it great for small businesses or DIY enthusiasts. Plus, with dual platens, it fits both adult and kid-sized hats, so you're covered for parties or family events. With over 800 units sold just last month and a solid 4.6-star rating from 207 reviews, it's clear this machine is making waves in the crafting community. Now, some users noted that it can be complex for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of the presets and digital controls, it streamlines your workflow significantly, especially for batch projects. This is perfect for you if you're running a small custom hat business or love creating unique gifts. Skip this one if you need something more straightforward without the automatic features. For the investment, this machine really delivers on quality and ease of use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your specific hat pressing needs. Product number 3, HTVRONT Auto Hat Press Machine Purple. The next contender is another HTVRONT Auto Hat Press Machine, this time in purple, also priced at $149.99. It looks identical to the blue version, but the color adds a nice touch. If you want a stylish yet efficient machine, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. Just like the blue version, this purple press features the same one-touch operation, delivering over 80 kg of pressure and precise temp control between 104 degrees F to 410 degrees F. It's perfect for various materials, from embroidered patches to sublimation prints. The dual hat platens ensure you can customize any cap with ease, and with similar sales and rave reviews, it's another winner in the HTVRONT lineup. Now I have to mention that some users have expressed concerns about the weight, finding it a bit heavy for frequent transport. But honestly, the weight contributes to its stability when pressing, which means fewer mishaps during use. This is perfect for you if you appreciate having color options and want a reliable press for mixed projects. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight to carry around. For the price, you're getting a fantastic quality machine that looks good too. Now, if the weight of the previous presses is a concern for you, let's look at something different that might suit your needs. Product number 4, HTVRONT Hat Press Machine. Here's another solid option, the HTVRONT Hat Press Machine, priced at $129.99. Its sleek white design and added features caught my eye. If you want a versatile machine with user-friendly features, this is a great pick. Why this matters for you? This hat press heats up quickly and evenly thanks to its cast aluminum heating plate. The silicone suction cups keep the press stable during use, preventing any accidental slips, a huge plus when working on detailed designs. With a 4.5-star rating from 392 reviews, users appreciate its ease of use. Some reviews noted that it lacks certain advanced presets that other models offer. Here's the thing though, this press is straightforward enough for beginners while still being effective for seasoned users, making it a great middle ground. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward, effective hat press without unnecessary complexity. Skip this if you want all the bells and whistles, as it might feel limiting. Honestly, at this price, it offers great value for a reliable tool. Alright, that was a great pick. Now let's move on to our final product, which brings a little extra versatility to the table. Product number 5, VEVO R4 in 1 heat press machine. Last but not least, we have the VEVO R4 in 1 heat press machine, priced at $129.90. This caught my attention with its multiple heating pads, offering flexibility for various projects. If you want a machine that can handle more than just hats, this is a fantastic option. The larger 8.5 x 4-inch heating plate provides ample space for designs, while the smart digital control makes it easy to set precise temperatures and times. Plus, with over 600 sales last month and a 4.4-star rating, users love its adaptability for various materials. A downside some users mentioned is the learning curve due to the multiple pads. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional machine that can adapt to your creative needs. Skip this if you're only focused on hats, as the complexity could be unnecessary. For the price, it offers excellent value for those who need variety. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 great options. The HTVRONT H1 Mini Heat Press for portability, the HTVRONT Auto Hat Press in both blue and purple for advanced features, the HTVRONT Hat Press Machine for straightforward use, and the VEVO R4 in 1 for versatility. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.